James, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 courses specifically designed to up your game as an entrepreneur. And we're starting right now. Cue the intro. This is James Writtenhouse, philosopher and entrepreneur, and welcome to the 8th and final installment of the Entrepreneur video series. The most successful entrepreneurs are constantly upping their game to stay ahead of the curve. And when you're just starting out, it's even more important that you make like a sponge and absorb as much knowledge as you can. The courses that I'm going to be sharing with you can all be found on Udemy, which is an online platform filled with courses covering a variety of subjects like music, personal development, office productivity, and more. Today we'll be going over 8 courses made with the entrepreneur in mind. At number 1, The Essential Guide to Entrepreneurship by Guy Kawasaki. Guy has over 30 years of entrepreneurship experience and was one of the original employees responsible for marketing the Macintosh computer back in 1984. In this course, he shows you step by step how to create a business that's attractive to investors and build a devoted following. He literally takes you from A to Z in building your business, from launching and pitching all the way to marketing and evangelizing your business. He also gives a critique of a live pitch by an entrepreneur so you can get key insights on crafting your own pitch. Number 2, an entire MBA in one course. Have you ever wanted to get your MBA but it was just too darn expensive or you didn't have the time? Well, how would you like to learn from an MBA professor who has real-world experience from working at Goldman Sachs as well as starting several successful companies? There are over 124,000 students enrolled from 196 countries, and the course is suitable for beginner and veteran entrepreneurs alike. The course has minimal theoretical concepts and places a greater focus on concepts that map as close to reality as possible. Chris Haroon has taught these same concepts at several universities and has received universal praise from students and colleagues alike. The course also comes with a free 384-page MBA book valued at $99. Number 3. Trademark Law for Entrepreneurs. This course was designed by an attorney that specializes in trademark law and shows you the different aspects concerning trademark law and delivers practical answers to common questions. After completing this course, you'll be able to save money on filing fees, or if you decide to hire an attorney later down the road, you'll be able to understand what the attorney is doing and ensure everything is done accordingly. This course is also 100% free, so you have no reason not to go through it. Number 4. Body language for entrepreneurs. Did you know that 93% of our communication is nonverbal? Most entrepreneurs don't know this, let alone apply it, and that could be what's holding you back from having business success. Vanessa Van Edwards makes body language easy to understand and will help take your nonverbal language to the next level by first developing your foundation for understanding body language all the way to advanced applications like high-pressure business situations. Besides entrepreneurs, this course is also applicable to real estate brokers, authors, freelancers, and consultants. Number 5. Shark Accounting. Building a business by the numbers. If you ever watch Shark Tank, then you know at some point during the pitch, the shark asks the entrepreneurs if they know their numbers. If you don't know your numbers, in other words, how much you're spending versus how much you're bringing in, then you're essentially in the dark when it comes to your business. When you know the numbers you should be paying attention to, it's just a matter of staying on top of them and applying what you learn to make your business more profitable. In this course, you'll discover the 4 ways that businesses can increase profit, and you'll receive a free ebook on break-even analysis. In addition to shark venture capitalists, you'll also be prepared against bankers and financial advisors when talking about the numbers that run your business. Number 6. Rapid prototyping for entrepreneurs. Build a demo in 2 hours. Did you ever have a really good idea that you wish you could bring to life? If the answer is yes, then learning how to prototype can prove to be an invaluable skill. With a prototype, you can communicate exactly what you want your product to look and feel like. The best part is that you can learn how to prototype without having to write a single line of code. As an entrepreneur, you can figure out exactly what's essential to your vision via prototyping and eliminate guesswork. If you're looking to fundraise, you can easily separate yourself from the competition by showing investors something that's tangible and easy to understand. The instructor behind this course, Evan Kimbrell, is a serial entrepreneur and has overseen the development and launch of over 100 web and mobile apps. Number 7. Programming for entrepreneurs. Have you ever wanted to tweak something on your website but you didn't know where to start? Fortunately, the instructor designed this course with the beginner in mind and teaches web development in a way that's easy to digest. In this course, you'll learn the basics of HTML and CSS like adding links and images, the box model, tables, and much more. And if it couldn't get any better, this course is 100% free. Number 8. Photoshop for Entrepreneurs. Ever wanted to make cool designs for your brand but lack the necessary skills to make it happen? Or worse, are you tired of dealing with incompetent graphic designers who just wish you could do it yourself? Philip Beener and Jeremy Daigan, the two instructors behind this course, have been using Photoshop for years to grow their business and are now bringing everything they learned to this course. The course is project-based, and you'll be taken through 11 different projects that are modeled after real-world examples, such as designing YouTube thumbnails, infographics, animated GIFs, and more. This course only teaches you what you need to know about Photoshop. It won't take you through every little feature that Photoshop has to offer. Quick side note, if you do want an in-depth course on Photoshop, you can go to www.jamesrittenhouse.com/Photoshop-training to get access to a comprehensive course on Photoshop. My challenge to you is to pick one of these courses and get through the entire course from beginning to end. Let me know in the comments which course you decided to go with. This also concludes the Entrepreneur video series. If you're watching this on YouTube and you're not subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you'll be notified when I release new content. If you're watching this on Facebook, then make sure to like and share it with others so they can get value from it. This is James Rittenhouse signing off. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video.
Peace.